Hi guys, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. Whether you own a Mac laptop or desktop, you can force it to restart by pressing and holding the Command, Control and Power keys simultaneously. If you want to force shutdown rather than restart, you can simply press and hold down the power button without pressing the Command and Control keys. It's worth noting that a forced shutdown or restart is generally considered a last resort, as you will lose any work that isn't already saved to disk. You should only consider using this option if your Mac freezes up completely and you are unable to use your mouse or shut down in the normal way. Before taking this option, it's worth making sure that you've exhausted all other potential solutions. For example, if an application has frozen rather than the whole system, you can force the application to shut down by right-clicking on the icon in the dock and pressing and holding the Option key. With the app closed, your Mac should start responding normally. You can also force quit an application by clicking on the Apple logo in the menu and choosing Force Quit. You can also try pressing Control, Option, Command and the power button simultaneously, which will prompt you to save any unsaved work you have open before restarting. If your Mac is repeatedly freezing or having continually issues, you can try restarting in diagnostics mode to check for a hardware fault. For Apple Silicon Macs, start with your Mac powered off. Press and hold the power button or Touch ID button and continue to press it until your Mac turns on and loads the startup option screen. Release the power button and follow this up by pressing and holding the Command and D keys on your keyboard until your Mac restarts. This will initiate diagnostic mode. So that is how to force restart your Mac. If you found the video useful, please consider tapping the Super Thanks button below or clicking the link in the description to buy me a coffee. Genuinely, there is nothing more rewarding than receiving your support, so thank you. It really is appreciated. And if you own an iPhone, you should definitely check out this video to improve the life of your battery. Or how about the new Hold Assist feature to guarantee you'll never waste another minute sat waiting on hold during a phone call? Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.